Welcome to day 9 of the Busa trip to Brazil. Yesterday we had a city tour because of the cancellation of the trip to the University of Sao Paulo.
This morning we went to the Rabobank where we had a presentation from an old Nairobian.
I think it's always fantastic to see Nyenrode people going around the world. In this case in Brazil specifically, but anywhere in the world. So I think it's very important that the university remains an international university.
We got a presentation of Carlos Ortiz, head rural banking. He told us a lot about food and agriculture.
They had a CSR strategy that was very similar, I thought, to Petrobras. They had the same action points really, but I think they had a better strategy than Petrobras did.
We heard about how the market of the Rabobank is different from the Netherlands. Here in Brazil they are mostly concentrated on the niche market,
which I found very surprising due to the fact that obviously in Holland they're a very large bank that is mostly focused on consumers, and here they focus on the agricultural business mainly.
After the Rabobank we went to HSM. This is an executive education facility.
Here they explain most of all the business in Brazil and how the developing country is actually doing and what the opportunities are for students like us and what the pitfalls are at this moment.
In their presentation they really pointed out that nowadays there's a big difference between public and private schools. Steps need to be taken on education in Brazil overall.